Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this paper crafting card making tutorial featuring products from Stampin' Up. This is a lovely Christmas card we're making today, and here I wanted to show you how you can heat emboss just using our normal Stampin' Up ink pads. You don't need to use Versamark or anything like that. You can just heat emboss with any of our coloured ink pads. So let's get started. The stamp set I'm using today is More Wishes. Now this is an online exclusive and I love this for this big bold font. Really great. So in this card we use Cherry Cobbler. We're going to be using a different colourway. We're going to be doing Midnight Muse. So I've got all my bits ready here and I'm going to stamp in Midnight Muse. So I'm going to give it a really good ink up. Nice and inked up, down, really good press, there we are, lovely. And now before that dries, I'm going to take my clear embossing foam powder and I'm going to spread it all over my sentiment just like that. Now you can see it's gone dull, and that's because it's picked up the clear embossing powder, but when we heat emboss it, it will go lovely and shiny and really pretty. So let's put that back in there and let's follow my own rules and clean up as I go along before we have an accident. It means I can put things away and then I have a little bit more space to work in, which is always a good thing. Okay, so you saw me just heat setting that with the heat gun. So all I did was let it warm up for about 30 seconds and then I took it to my sentiment, and now you can see it's got lovely and shiny. Then I just cut that out with my trimmer. Now I'm going to mack it onto a piece of balmy blue cardstock. So let's just get our tombow. And then I'm just going to cut this out by hand. Using my scissors, and that will do me for today. And then I'm going to find a piece of adhesive sheet if I can. Here's a piece here, and I'm just going to cut. Yours will be sticky on both sides. Mine is a bit old, so it's lost some of its stickiness. So I'm going to just put on some glue on the back. Stick this onto the back of my piece here. Make sure nothing is hanging over the edge, which it is. So I'll just cut that off. This is how my scissors get gunned up. Don't know about you. And then we're just going to bring in our card base, which is thick basic white. So that's standard A6 card base, an A4 sheet cut in half and then fold in half. And then I've got a piece here of the iconic Celebrations Designer Series paper. And this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, and this is an online exclusive, so you won't find it in the catalogue, but it will be there online. It will be listed and linked in the description box below, as with all the supplies I've used. You can find all the measurements and etc. as well as the supply list on my blog post, so do check all of that out. So I'm going to put mine on my sentiment just like that. Isn't that pretty? And then I've got some of here of the Naturals adhesives with back sequins. I think I'm going to use some of these silver ones. I'm just going to put a few here and there. That'll do. So there you go. There you've got a ready, more red version, and then you've got the blue version. You can let me know which you prefer. So I hope you enjoyed this card making tutorial. You'll find, as I said, all the information in the description box below. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.